Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thank you for tuning in today. Looking at the Brother Scanncut CM900 I've recently picked up, done a couple of projects. We're going to look at the Canvas workspace software and a project from there, and then we'll move on to kind of something else I'm just playing around with. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell, ding 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 ding, and of course share. So let's move on to the software first, shall we? So I have a new Brother Scanncut, a CM900, and I've been having a play, and I thought I'd have a bash at one of these projects from the Brother Canvas workspace. So I did a quick search for cards, press return, and oh no, let's try card. Oh, that's more like it. Oh dear me. And I came across this pretty little thing here, butterfly cutout card. So this looks really nice, I thought to myself. So it comes with an instructional video. You see that just pops up there. And you get a PDF recipe as well. But I figured I could work it out. So what I did was I transferred these two files over to my Scanncut using USB. Okay. And if I just click out of that, you can see there's the first one, and then I save it. Oh, now then, you won't be able to see this, will you, because it's going to go off the screen. But I chose the export FCM file from the file menu, and I saved it to USB stick. I then plugged in the USB stick into my Scanncut and cut the various bits out. I've ordered a wireless card, wireless activation card from Brother, which I think is a bit of a scam, charging an extra, 40 quid. The machine says it's wireless ready. Well, it's not. But that's my only miff with it, to be fair. I love it to bits. I've only had it a day or so. So that's my only concern with it, really. When that comes, it's coming from the States, so I've got to wait a couple of weeks. I won't need a USB stick anymore, which I suppose is better, So yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to my desk now, and I'll show you the project, and I'll show you what else I've made. Well, not made, some of the things I've done as well. Okay, so see you in a moment. Okay, so once I'd cut it all out, I ended up with this. It cut out the card base with this beautiful pattern. It cut out this piece of Highland heather, and it cut out some vellum for the butterfly and the flower, and then I just assembled it. Is that not beautiful? I'm really chuffed with it, So easy and so easy to do. The other thing, you remember from a couple of videos ago, I bought a magazine, this one, and I'd said that I wasn't happy that these, we had to fussy cut these out. And of course I don't have to now, do I? So this is what I've done. I did some, here we go. These obviously need to be mounted on some card because they're only paper, but they've come out really well. Some I did with no border, and some I did with the border of 0.04. Thank you to the paper chef for that tip, which I think looks really nice. I've also been experimenting with increasing the size. This is just some cheap ivory card. It's not a colour I'd actually use, to layer, or even scan this in again and cut one out in cardless just to make it thicker. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady set is really beautiful, with butterflies, flowers, and of course various sayings. So there we go. There's my first couple of projects with his brother Scanncut. More to come, obvs, you know. I'm going to play around with the Canvas workspace software again, see what else I can find. I'm going to cut out the rest of these, and of course I'm going to start on the DSP. So I have all these lovely butterflies here and other such bits of DSP to do. So thank you for joining me. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.